This time we have a coffee from Burundi. It's a washed processed red bourbon from the Kayanza region. Welcome back, everyone. Today I am here to talk about our newest iteration of Vista. And so Vista is a coffee we have year-round. It's meant to be kind of a light, more floral and citric-forward espresso. And so although we have it year-round, the specific coffee we use changes every once in a while to do with the freshness of the harvest seasons. This one comes from Long Miles Coffee. They're actually a project out there in that kind of region of Burundi and Uganda and Kenya, developing washing stations so that they can give more farmers access to get more money for their coffee. For my recipe today, I like to do a bit longer of a shot to make more of a kind of contemporary espresso that will highlight that kind of citric acidity, the juiciness, and the florals. So what I'm gonna do is put 18 grams in the basket and do about a 40 to 45 gram shot, making it a little bit longer, and have that happen in about 26 to 28 seconds. That's gonna be super juicy, super delicious. In the cup, you're gonna taste a lot of that kind of citric acidity, that juiciness that you get from these kind of coffees. We say it's kind of like blood orange. You'll also get lots of red berries, kind of common in that Kenya, Burundi area. And finally, kind of a vanilla sweetness, that kind of floralness that comes through in the cup. Super tasty. You can have it as an espresso, as a Americano, long black, flat white, cappuccino thing. Anything that kind of highlights the coffee is going to be super tasty. If you want to try this, you can actually come into the cafe and we have it on bar. So you can ask for Vista Espresso, or you can pick up a bag either in the cafe or on our website, timbertrain.ca.